Hello. Hi. Happy Friday. Happy weekend to everyone. I hope that you are all feeling okay. I hope that especially those who had to work the whole week, I hope that you can now find time to rest, to recharge, and to take care of your mind and spirit. So please rest if you need to, and take a good, well-deserved rest, because you worked the whole week and now it's time for the weekend. So the reason why I went live today now is because I actually have some upcoming classes. So we have an in-person yoga and meditation class happening tomorrow at M Studio Magallanes at 7 a.m. So if you would like to join, or if you know anyone, a morning person, who would like to join us at M Studio Magallanes, all you have to do is visit the link in my bio on Maxine Magalona Instagram, or Meditate with Maxine in our Instagram account. The link for registration is in the bio. So please join us, our yoga and meditation class in person, face-to-face, tomorrow at 7 a.m. This one is all about believing in yourself. Believe in yourself. No, it is not free. You have to pay. There is a ticket price of 1,111 pesos per person. And all you have to do is bring a yoga mat, a water tumbler, maybe a journal and pen so you can take down notes. But what's going to happen in the class is, first we will have a short discussion of the topic, which is all about believing in yourself, the importance of believing in yourself. And then after that, we will do our yoga flow, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And then after that, we end the session with a short guided meditation. And then if you have any questions, we will open the floor for some questions. And that's what's happening for our in-person class. And we still have our ongoing online meditation series. Our last class, our 5th class, is tomorrow at 11 a.m. via Zoom. And if you would like to join this series, if you weren't able to join our last 4 classes, it's okay. If you buy all 5 classes, we will send you the recordings via email. The last class is happening tomorrow. It's called Elevate Yourself. So this is 11 a.m. on Zoom. And then for September, we have a new online meditation series happening every Sunday at 4 p.m. via Zoom. Sunday at 4 p.m. every Sunday of September. This series is called How to Face Your Fears. So we had a request about making a series about fear. How to face your fears, how to overcome your fears, how to fix your relationship with fear. So please join us every Sunday of September, Sunday at 4 p.m. All you have to do is send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will help you register. So every Sunday of September at 4 p.m., every Sunday via Zoom. One class is 555 pesos and all 5 classes is 2,500 pesos. So if you would like to join every Sunday, just send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we will help you register. The first class is happening this Sunday. So every Sunday of September, how to face your fears. So that's the reason why I went live. I wanted to invite all of you. For those who would like to join our in-person class, it's happening tomorrow at 7 a.m. at M Studio Magallanes. The registration fee is 1,111 pesos. All you have to bring are a yoga mat and a water tumbler, or even a journal and a pen. And that's all you need for the in-person class. And then for the online series, you don't really need a yoga mat. You just need a small cushion that you can sit on, or maybe a folded blanket or a folded towel. And that's all you need for our online meditation series. You can also have your journal and your pen so that you can take down notes. Okay. Ate Max, I'm suffering from anxiety and depression because I gained weight. I want to know how to discipline myself to not overeat so much. Do you have any advice? I really suggest deepening and strengthening your relationship with God so that you can ask God to help you with your addiction to food. Sometimes we overeat because we do not want to feel what we're feeling, so we distract ourselves with pleasure. So that's why it's important to go through your healing process with a steady and strong connection to God. Keep praying. This is what my advice would be. Keep praying and strengthen your relationship with God. Strengthen your relationship with yourself so that you love yourself and respect yourself enough not to overeat. So I think it starts with that. It starts with loving and respecting yourself the right way. And then always talk to God, pray to God. Teach yoga in Bali, Max. I want to join. I would love that. I would love to teach in Bali one day. So hopefully I can go back. So there you have it. That's the only reason why I wanted to go live this afternoon. I just wanted to invite you to our upcoming yoga and meditation classes. We have one in person happening tomorrow at 7 a.m. at M Studio Magallanes. Join us. This class is all about believing in yourself. Believe in yourself. So 7 a.m., 1,111 pesos. The link for registration can be found in our bio on Instagram, either in my personal account Maxine Magalona or in my meditation account Meditate with Maxine. And then our online meditation series for the month of September, How to Face Your Fears, every Sunday at 4 p.m. via Zoom. So thank you again so much for joining this live, and we hope to see you in our classes. Bye!